Hi everyone, welcome to Mommy Terga and Family channel. I have been living in Germany since 2015 with my family. Living here can be either expensive or affordable depending on your lifestyle. I have found several ways to save money in Germany and want to share them with you in this video. The first one is buying your groceries in the discount supermarkets. Germany has so many kinds of supermarkets, from the most expensive to the cheapest, and the cheapest one is the discount supermarket like Aldi, Penny, Netto, Lidl, and so on. My favorite is the Aldi Süd because it is close to my home and it has most of the things that I need for my daily life. The discount supermarkets like Aldi sell their products cheaper not because the quality is worse, but because their operational cost is lower. For instance, they have minimalist store design and no fancy decoration. The products that they sell are displayed on the original boxes and they use energy efficient lighting to cut the cost of electricity. And they don't sell products from big brands or international brands, which are usually more expensive, and sell local products instead. By shopping at discount supermarkets, I could save 40 to 50% compared to what I would spend at the non-discount supermarkets. The second one is shop at Amazon on subscription basis. For the items that you buy regularly, buy them on subscription basis from Amazon to get price reduction. The discount that you will get ranges from 5 to 10% depending on the type of products that you buy, and you can get higher discount up to 15% if you subscribe to 5 items. My family subscribes to 5 items like kitchen paper, hand sanitizer, hand soap, diaper, and so on, and we get 15% discount per month. The third one, join the Payback program. Payback is a multi-brand loyalty program that lets you earn and redeem points on every shopping. There are more than 600 brands included in this program. So if you buy from any of these brands, you will collect points. For example, shopping at MediaMarkt will get you 1 point for every €2 spent. Staying at Best Western Hotel will get you 250 points per stay, and so on. And even better, they frequently give coupons to multiply your points. For example, here with this coupon, the points that you get when shopping at DM will be multiplied by 15. So for a €20 shopping, instead of getting 10 points, you will get 150 points. And those collected points can be used to pay your next shopping or convert it to money. You will get €1 every 100 points you collected. When you have, for example, 1,000 points, you will get €10 in return. Make sure to check the points regularly on their app to increase your chance of multiplying your points, because the more points you get, the more money you can get back. The fourth one is buy secondhand stuff. Germany is famous for its flea market. Before Corona time, there were so many flea markets held monthly or weekly all around Germany. Currently, most of the flea markets are closed. But don't worry, there are many online shops for secondhand stuffs. These are only a few examples. My favorite is Vinted because the interface is very user-friendly and they sell so many products, some are even new, and the transaction is secured. I can filter the products that I want based on the conditions of the products. Like here, I want to search children's clothes and want to buy only the clothes that are new with label. They are of course cheaper than buying new clothes from the store. Even the clothes that are used are still in good condition, and I can buy it for as cheap as €2. That really saves a lot of money, especially if you have children under 5 years old. They grow up very fast, and buying new clothes every 6 months is really a big expense. By buying secondhand stuffs, you can save a lot of money. But if you prefer new clothes to used one, you can buy them cheaper at the end of the season. In general, there are 2 big sales in Germany every year. The summer sale in August and the winter sale from the end of December to the beginning of January. You can save a lot of money if you buy new clothes or shoes during this sales time. Many stores offer discounts up to 70%, and the discount is real. You can get good quality of clothes and shoes with very affordable price. So for next year's summer, I have bought several clothes during this year's summer sale, and for the next year's winter, if I still need new clothes, I would buy them during this year's winter sales. The sixth one, use subscription ticket. If you use public transportation for your daily mobility, consider using the subscription ticket. Subscription ticket is a monthly ticket that you buy with contract with the transportation service provider, and the service provider will deduct the ticket price from your bank account every month. As far as I know, most big cities in Germany offer this kind of ticket. In my case, as I live in Munich, a day ticket costs 7.9 euros. With this ticket, I can use the public transportation as many as I want for one day. And a monthly ticket costs 57 euros. So if you travel more than 8 days a month, it is cheaper to buy the monthly ticket instead of buying the day tickets. And with the subscription ticket, you can save even more. In Munich, the subscription ticket is called Isar-Card-Abo. With this subscription ticket, for 1 year usage of public transportation, I pay only 10 months instead of 12 months. Check with the transportation service provider in the area where you live to find the offers that they have. Now we come to the last point. Are you a travel lover and want to find good hotel deals? If yes, do subscribe to Secret Escapes. Secret Escapes is a member-only British travel company selling heavily discounted luxury hotel stays and trips through its website and mobile app. Secret Escapes operates in many countries in Europe and in the United States. If you want to stay at luxury hotels without breaking the bank, this is the solution. For example, you want to stay in Maldives at this luxury hotel. For 2 persons to stay 7 nights there in July 2022, it will cost 3,402 euros if you book from Secret Escapes. If you book from their website for the same stay duration and the same date, it will cost 7,392 US dollar, which equals to 6,550 euros. So you can save 3,000 euros by booking from Secret Escapes. That's how my family could enjoy staying at luxury hotels without breaking the bank. If you're doing only 1 or 2 points that I've mentioned before, it may seem that you could save only a little amount of money. But if you combine them all, you can save quite a lot of money per year. And you can use it for a better purpose, investment for instance. By investing your money, you can even have more money. You can check many videos that we have in this channel about stocks investment. I hope you find this video helpful. See you next time!